Hey guys, I am back after so long and today I am here to introduce with you the new hair care range of the brand called Mother Sparsh. मदर स्पर्श की स्किन केयर रेंज के बारे में सारे रिव्यूज ऑलरेडी मैंने मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ. सो इफ यू गाइज वांट यू कैन गो एंड सिंपली चेक इट आउट ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज. एंड अभी इस वीडियो में मदर स्पर्श की जो न्यूली लॉन्च्ड हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स है अभी उसके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. The name of the brand is Mother Sparsh. I mean, wow, what a beautiful name, right? And to be very honest, I really had a great experience with the skincare range of Mother Sparsh, especially the body butter and the face mask. So here I have the hair treatment kit from Mother Sparsh. So what will you get in this kit? So let's see. So here I am opening this bag. So the first product that we have is of course the hair oil. So as you guys can see, this is Mother Sparsh hair oil and it has 30 herbs in this oil. So the oil comes in like this with this box and this bottle. Basically the bottle has this tip-toe system. And yeah, you can open it and you can take how much oil you need. So I have already used this oil 2 times like before doing my shampoo. So the very first time I have tried this oil like alone, only I tried this oil, and this oil is not really heavy, like it's not really chipa, it's light. I mean, yeah, it's quite light, but the smell of this oil is not really good, but not really bad. Yeah, maybe some of the people maybe won't like it, but yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's not really so bad. And the second time I have used this hair oil with another product, which is Mother Sparsh Hair Lip Dashmul. Yes, this is the product, and I mean, the smell of this product, oh my god, you can literally open it and smell it like wow. Where's my this is so fresh. The smell is so fresh. Now what you can do is you can simply mix it with water and apply it on all over your hair, from scalp to your hair. But I want to suggest you guys one thing. Whenever you are applying this hair lip dashmul, आप लोग अगर ऑयल लेने के बाद यूज कर रहे हो देन इट्स ओके. अगर आप लोग सिर्फ डैशमूल को पाउडर फॉर्म से पेस्ट फॉर्म बना के यूज कर रहे हो तो भी चलेगा. इट डजंट मीन कि आप लोग, मैंने यूज किया ऑयल के साथ तो आप लोगों को भी करना पड़ेगा. बट यहाँ पे सिंपली लिखा हुआ है जो डायरेक्शंस है कि आप 30 to 40 मिनट्स रखने के बाद आप लोग वॉश कर लीजिए. तो मैं आपको यही सलाह दूंगी कि आप 30 to 45 मिनट्स के ज्यादा आप लोग मत ही रखें. आप लोग ट्राई करें कि 30 मिनट्स होने के बाद ही आप लोग वॉश कर ले ये हेयर लिप को. I mean, अगर आप लोग ज्यादा रखोगे तो ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा ड्राई होके आप लोगों को तब प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा कि इसको कैसे हम लोग बालों से निकाले. तो दैट टाइम यू मे फेस द ब्रेकेज ऑफ योर हेयर. Now, after using the hair oil and the hair lip dashmul, it's time to clean your hair, right? So for the cleaning purpose, you will get Mother Sparsh hair cleanser. Here it is. And also Mother Sparsh hair conditioner. Yeah, you can see the packaging are really different of these two products, right? Now first I am gonna talk about the hair cleanser. Now again, the hair cleanser is coming with this box and this bottle. And the hair cleanser, I mean, I really like a hair cleanser which is really Ayurvedic or really natural, and here it is. It's really Ayurvedic and you can see all the ingredients over here. And this hair cleanser is really mild. I mean, we all know that we should use any kind of mild products for our skin or our hair, and here it is. It's really mild. I mean, I have tried it already and I'm like, Wow, it's really good. And then after using the cleanser, after clean your hair with the cleanser, you have to apply the conditioner, right? You can't forget the hair conditioner whenever you are applying any kind of shampoo or like cleanser. The hair conditioner is also coming with this packaging is like this, the box and the bottle. And personally I love the design of this conditioner bottle, and it's again with this system of opening. But whenever you are taking the conditioner, you will feel like it's really moussey or it's really thick and like this. But जब भी आप लोग बालों पे अप्लाई करोगे ना, आफ्टर अप्लाइंग इट immediately you will feel like wash करने के बाद आपको feel होगा कि yes, my hair is like very soft, very smooth. And also ये जो hair kit है, आपको ये hair kit के साथ एक बहुत अच्छा चीज मिलने वाला है, which is this one. This is the bag. In this bag you will get the hair kit, and this bag is really spacious and you can use it, keep anything, any makeup products, any jewelries or anything you want. Here you will get some extra chain for keeping your products, and which is really thoughtful mother's purse. But guys, you guys are my family, and truly I'm suggesting you to try at least once any mother's purse product. I mean, after using the product you will feel the difference and surely you will love it. And if you are planning to take this hair kit, then go for it and try to take the complete hair kit, and particularly I love the Dashmul. I mean, this is the main product, and I have never ever heard any product called like Dashmul. So this is the first time I'm using any Dashmul, and the first impression with this product, my impression was really good. So I am suggesting you guys to take this full kit. Like, don't only take the hair oil or only take the hair cleanser. But if you're thinking about, okay, let's check out the product, how it is, let's check out the brand's quality, then you can take it. But I am again suggesting you to take the full kit, because I have already tried these products, only not the hair care range. I have already tried their skincare range. So I am really suggesting you guys this brand. It doesn't mean कि आप लोगों को hair care range ही लेना है, but here I am like introducing with you the hair care range. If you want, you can take the skincare range as well. So yeah, I'm putting all the links in the description box below, so it will be easier for you to find out the products, right? And lastly, अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हो, then please do subscribe this channel for more such videos, and don't forget to press the notification button there so that you guys can get notified whenever I upload more videos. And if you guys find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your family, your friends, whoever love Ayurvedic natural products like me, and I'm sure that they will love these products. And please comment down if you have any other queries about these products or how much you like this video. Until next time, take care, bye.